This guide will help you install Elden Ring on a low-performance system in 2025. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation process. Step 1. Check system requirements. Before installation, verify that your system meets the minimum requirements for Elden Ring. Look for the necessary CPU, RAM, and GPU specifications to ensure compatibility. Step 2. Download the game. Visit a reliable digital storefront or the official Elden Ring website to purchase and download the game. Make sure to select the version compatible with your operating system. Step 3. Optimize system settings. Adjust your system settings for optimal performance. This may include lowering the resolution, disabling background applications, and ensuring your graphics drivers are up to date. Step 4. Install the game. Locate the downloaded game file and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Choose a directory with sufficient space for the game files. Step 5. Launch and configure. Once installed, launch Elden Ring. Access the game settings to adjust graphics options to low or medium to enhance performance on your system. Test the game to ensure it runs smoothly. By following these steps, you can successfully install Elden Ring on a low-performance system. Enjoy your gaming experience.